Jeez. At least he's black though, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, release. All right, y'all boys, it's the next day now. We did get some rain yesterday, but y'all can see we got the Lexus finally clean. Shit, this thing look good. But let's go ahead, get this out the way, get y'all a cold start on that, and we about to get a little driving so y'all boys can hear it. Let's get it. I think it's the where that RR Racing mid pipe meets up with this axle back. I think those, not the gasket, but the flange. Yeah, I think the flange is a little crooked, so I just gotta get back under there at some point and loosen the clamp off the axle back, twist it a little bit, and then screw it back. But I mean, it sounds good, bro. Like, y'all are about to hear it under load, of course. So let me throw this on my head, get y'all mounted up, get some gas, and then let's go do some driving. You feel me? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, release. Shit sound good as hell. Oh my gosh. Limiter bang, I ain't gonna lie, that shit sound crazy. Are we at the gas station with the John? Ooh. Y'all see how them spacers came out, bro? We're gonna work on that fitment a little more, but that's 10 times better than it was before. In the back, I ain't gonna lie, we lowered that. That's money, no cap. We put these carbon pieces on the back right here. There's some other carbon pieces that go down below here, but I gotta figure out how to get them on because it wasn't staying on with the 3M. And then you know the diffuser we had. We still got to get tips. It came with tips, but my dad's not sure if he likes them or not. So see, the carbon wing is refinished with the wing extensions to make it higher. And then we got that fucking fire fitment. Good Lord. All he needs to do is lower this, bro, just a tad, yo. But let's get back in the whip. Get some driving clips, man, and see what this thing sound like, you feel me? Forget he got 7 gears. Oh, he got 8. Busting the left, nigga. Oh. Yeah, give him some space. Yeah, at least he black though, right?
Nah, nah. Fuck.
Would have to just let me go, right? You want to be a nice person and shit. I just love the shift, I ain't gonna lie.
Going to the right.
Word. I should have pulled in front of you. Just want to do a full ball. Crazy because I've been around this road before in a Lexus.
Imagine it was like,
What happened?
take it up to a street called 527. So
Woo-hoo! Shit, money.
that's my fucking
Nah, that
dream
shit was hard. I ain't
setup.
gonna lie.
Yo, that's
Shit
my
was tough.
yo. In my head, when I'm riding around, that's my dream fucking setup. That exact thing, like that exact setup. Black truck, black Chevy Express truck. Should just stopped in the middle of the road. Oh.
Where is there there's a stopping point somewhere because I've been there before. Ooh, that shit. Money. Nah, this is money. Going for all the brownie points. Yeah.
As you should. That's why I gave him to.
Yo, shut up, bro. Yo, that little fart when it shifts. That little fart when it shifts. I like that.
What do you mean by that?
Like, I wish I could take this handling and chassis and put a 6.2 liter LS3 cam in it, like, right? Just get a Corvette, right? Like, this one? No, yeah, this is good. I like this. Your body would have shook a bunch of times shifting that much. I hope y'all mess with the POV, man. We got more coming with the GA soon. More updates on that. More coming with this. More mods, all of that. But you gotta subscribe and stay tuned. We just hit 1,000. Like, that's so crazy to think that I have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but can't do it without y'all. So if you like content like this, or you want to see more stuff about some of the cars we got laying around at the crib and at the shop, comment and let me know, and I'll do more videos on it, because I need something to get us through the winter. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to. But I'll see y'all boys in the next one. Peace.